We made it to Florida. The girls and I are here for my bachelorette trip. We're in Seascape, this little town along 30A highway in Florida. Super pretty. Everything's like jungle-y here, like you guys can tell. So I'm gonna take you inside our Airbnb, show you around, and hopefully we're gonna have a great time this week. You come in and everyone's here. This is our cute Airbnb. Hello, this is me. We're gonna go explore the town today. Today is the first day. We checked in yesterday and it was kind of hectic. Everyone's just kind of getting settled. We bought groceries. Today we're gonna go hit the town, check what's here, have some coffee, have some breakfast. Everyone's already waiting, besides some of us are still getting ready. Yeah, some of us are still getting ready. The driver. The most important one. Just kidding. You guys, we got this golf cart. So there's a room there, a room, a bathroom. This is another little room. You guys, we have a golf cart for the week, but we needed more space, so we actually rented a rental car. We came to the Central Square at Seaside and got coffee at Vita. And now some girls are having like a lunch/brunch. They got lunch at the Meltdown. More like breakfast. Aww, like, this is so cute.
I just love wooden stuff.
Yeah, what are we buying, ladies?
This is like for cream cheese. I've been looking for a wooden one.
She's getting Max a gift, or herself, because she's such a golfer. And then I'm getting a white t-shirt and Julie's getting a blue t-shirt, but she already went to the car, so I'm paying for it. We got to the house after this morning and we're getting ready to go to the beach, but it says there's like a 90% chance of rain. YOLO at this point, we're just going at it.
We're gonna live through it. We're from California, we're missing that rain. We need it.
And then we're trying to take the golf cart there, but we can't open the garage. Like, we can't find a button to open the garage. And we're just trying to figure this out. But as you guys can tell by the outfits, it's pretty cold. So,
you guys.
Oh, she found it! Good job! I literally looked around the whole garage. You guys, it's cold. We got to the beach. We had hope in the rain. Like, we thought it would just like sprinkle. No, it's cold. It's cold. No one's in the water besides these girls. Yeah, they said young, wild, and free. You know?
So mesmerized by my eyes that he accidentally wrote down the wrong flavor. And I was like, let me get you a second.
Oh, he was mesmerized. He liked when you were ordering.
Anna's only in a golden hour right now. People do surf here.
I love it! After watching the sunset on the beach, we came back to our Airbnb and made burrito bowls or salad bowls. Anyways, we made our own dinner. Now we're just all chilling. I'm gonna have the girls open their presents. I put tissue paper here, but you know, I just overpacked everything, and this is why I couldn't fit my own clothes because I had all this stuff.
She's so sacrificial.
So,
she's letting us know.
Hold on, I'm gonna pass it around, but you guys don't look inside so everybody can open them together.
I needed this.
I'm gonna use this to buy one. And I love my color. Mine is lavender. I know what this is. I saw this before. This is so cute. Let's go, girls. brought one for myself.
Flash, what is this? Is this a signature?
Oh, that's sunscreen.
Okay, good.
Yes. And she packed like 2 of these.
And by herself? Alina's last flash.
That's what I thought I would get stopped because I had 3 bags of like liquids. What?
This for you.
Her sister-in-law, Deanna Sushi. Yeah. It's day 2 and the sun is finally out today.
And I'm wearing the earrings that Alina got me, and I love them.
Wow, so cute. So we're gonna head to the beach today. Some of the girls already took off. Some of us had breakfast at the house. We're gonna meet up with them and have a nice beach day and then probably come back to the house and have a pool day. And then we're gonna like do this pastel outfits thing later today where everybody dresses in one color and we're gonna go out to dinner or something. So it's gonna be fun. Later on in the day and I'm doing this thing where everybody dresses up in a pastel outfit and we're gonna go out to dinner like this. Like
I'm
me,
blue.
Vika went all out, of course, and so did I and Masha. The rest of them did not do wigs.
Yeah, they're
so
not,
it's kind of like
they're not that fun, guys.
my hair looks so real though. I love it.
How about me?
Maybe without the bangs, I would actually do this.
I don't know if I would do this in real life. For one day, sure.
You guys want to see everyone's outfits? This is
The
Vika's.
sunset lighting is so cute right now.
Shoes.
The shoes are, I couldn't find cute blue ones, so we went with diamonds.
That's cute. Okay.
I'm a cowgirl today, so cowboy boots. This is just like a little pink dress, cowboy hat, and my earrings.
Oh my gosh, look at my
Cute. Show mine. Show mine.
Oh my god, you didn't even get the details. Look at the details.
Okay, look at her details.
My wig is from Amazon. My dress is from Red Dress. My shoes are from Lulu's. And I have like a pearl bag that's in there, but
you guys will see it later. So they were the only ones brave enough to wear wigs, and I will give them props. They look so good.
I know, they pull it off. They totally pull it off.
You want that on the Polaroid? This Southern Queen.
Literally, like, ugh.
Who is
I just
she?
need a country.
I'm about to snatch you up.
Average fashion
Ready?
And Anita looks like she came from New York.
So classy. So classy.
We're just from all parts of the world.
we just came to Shaka Sushi for dinner. Me and Masha kept our wigs. Vika didn't.
If they're selling it, they do the real
No, they're ramen.
So we just got crepes and so-so. We'd give it like a 5 out of 10. Masha and Vika got Starbucks. Duba and Anna are getting some right now, and Bella is just the Bella of the ball. Cutest outfit award.
The Bella.
She does.
But she's the Bella of the ball. Did you enjoy your crepe?
Yeah, we shared. Yeah.
It was in Lido Key. I need a photo right here.
Okay.
Anita's the best photographer though, so because everybody just grab her stuff.
Do you guys hear this on record?
Best one here, because Anton's not here. Right here. Oh my gosh. This is like the town circle.
Very cute, guys. Like, what is this? Very, very cute.
Oh my gosh, you broke me.
It's day 3 and we just came back from the beach. Some girls went to go get coffee. We just had like a nice relaxing beach day. Now these girls are back at the house watching Formula 1.
Someone ordered coffee?
Yeah, we did.
А вот кто как объяснил исчезновение.
Okay guys, so we are heading to the beach for our last full day here. This is our chauffeur. Are you licensed, ma'am?
Yes, I am.
Are you registered to drive this vehicle?
Yes, I am.
Okay. We're actually leaving someone behind because she's not fast enough. But yeah, we're heading to the beach. Oh, I forgot the volleyball. I'm gonna call Anna and tell her to bring it. I will do that. And we're gonna play some volleyball. And we just had mojitos and a cheese board for lunch. It was really delicious. We're gonna head to the beach for the second time today. And then we are going to head to Alina's bridal dinner where she's gonna wear a white dress and her wedding sash.
I'm not wearing a white dress. We're smarter now. We're smarter now.
And we're gonna wear black dresses and it's gonna be super cute. Oh, this is our street. This is 30A. And this is where all the cool kids are at. So we'll vlog more when we get to the beach.
What are we doing?
So much cuter
We're
and
taking
white. Casual photos on a golf cart. In
Feet,
dresses.
like put both feet on, but like.
And we're headed where?
This
To
way, kind of.
Tommy Bahama.
Yeah,
We're gonna
and,
meet up
put
with
your- only the
Tommy
edges of your heels,
and
like
just like
on
discuss
the
a few
edge,
things
like,
before the
literally
wedding,
both
right?
feet, like,
Cool, yeah.
Confidence should ever.
They're waiting for
That's embarrassing.
Why? The door. We're looking at the menu and deciding what we want to order.
Yes.
So, Alina, what do you want? David's coconut shrimp?
Probably tacos because I'm basic. You can order the coconut shrimp though and I'll just try it.
Like you tried my mozzarella sticks yesterday?
That vlog content, yeah.
We just finished dinner and how do you feel?
Amazing. I feel amazing.
How do you feel about getting married?
Amazing.
Does she know any other words?
I'm
Just pretend.
more
No,
than ever.
don't.
I am ready to go. Put me at the altar tomorrow.
No, pretend the camera's not here and just speak to the girls. What are you most scared about? Challenge question.
Scared of not having enough patience.
Do any of the married ladies have some life advice for her?
You'll need patience.
Bella, advice.
Just live every day.
Live, love, love.
With harmony, love, and spontaneous, like adventures. Make every day special.
So you're not married.
I'm not married, but
I plan to be.
Skip.
with her.
We're very similar to a marriage couple.
Have to learn to share space because I know you're used to having your own space.
Oh yeah, we love our own space.
Yeah, like you're gonna have to create like some kind of rules to have for each other.
One room is his, one room is mine.
Not those kind of rules.
You're not roommates. Because rules are good and they're gonna help you guys like set a routine.
And establish boundaries. Julie? Julie?
So my advice is communication is super important. So communicate about everything and trust God and seek God first.
And if you're really mad, just pray for God to give you patience. Because sometimes that's the only thing that helps you.
Amita?
I already said mine, but mine is to serve the other person without any expectations because that's what love is service towards another person. Yes, unconditional.
Luba?
Honestly, no experience, but I think like Julie mentioned, just communicating and streamlining that, getting the routine, low expectations.
I think I learned a lot of things.
Okay, and then I'm gonna,
Marriage class.
my advice, based on having
having a lot of married friends is that you need learning how imperfect, I'll be saying this to you, learning how imperfect you are and discovering things about yourself that you maybe didn't know will help you love and appreciate the other person so much more.
Understand that. Just like their vlog, so
Yeah.
putting up with your stuff.
Oh, I know. She said, I know how much she puts up with already. Don't worry. Run away.
So Anton, this lady sitting here is a treasure and you need to act like it for the rest of your life and love her.
Thank you, ladies. Thank you all for coming.
Anna didn't speak yet. Anna, your advice. I'm zooming in on you. I'm going to zoom in.
So I guess the one thing I'd like to say is love is a choice. There will be times when you fight and you don't agree with each other, but you know, you choose to look past that and come to compromises. So sometimes just agree to disagree, but still come to a compromise.
Compromise, you hear that?
Anton needs to hear that one.
Cheers to marriage.
Signing out, everybody.
You're not gonna be able to lift it, and I'm not helping you.
Alina's trying to close her luggage. Yeah, this is fun.
It was just like this.
How do you organize? I don't understand.
Yes,
I'm not heavy enough.
And she still has another thing that she's trying to put in my luggage.